start with dictionary. Let us understand what is dictionary and what are the things which we can do with the help of dictionary. So, dictionary. So, dictionary is again data structure, data type, and it is represented with curly braces. Only difference is the data is represented in key value format. So, dict1 is equal to curly braces. Now, I will say A for apple. A for apple. Then B for banana. C for cherries. D for dates. So this is my dictionary. This is my dictionary, and now we will see how it exactly it look like. So first thing is my print function, and then I will see type function for that. Okay, and we will see how exactly it look like. So print dict1 and print type dict1. So type is dictionary, and this is how it look like. Now, if I want to see the elements of my dictionary, okay. So what are the different functions which we can use for our dictionary? So dict1 dot, very first one is copy. Very first one is copy. So you can create copy of your dictionary. So I will say dict underscore cp equals to this one, and then you run this one, and then you can print it. So print dict1 and dict underscore cp. Dict underscore cp. So this is the copy, and this is my original dictionary. Then you have dict1 dot clear. So it will clear your dictionary. Okay, it will clear your dictionary. So dict1 is equal to your empty dictionary. Then again you are creating a dictionary. Okay, again you are creating a dictionary. So these are my items. These are my items inside my dictionary. Now next function, that is dict dot. Now from key. Dict dot from key. So what is dict? So in this particular function, I say x is equal to that is your values. So it can be any value. Okay? It can be like key1, key2, key3, and so on. And in the same way, you have something called as value. Okay, something called as value. Now what you are doing right here is we are saying, you can say like dict dot key1 x comma y, and so this will be your output. This will be your output. Technically, when you will be using it in some scenario, it will be more relevant to you. Right now, definitely it is not making any sense to you that why we are doing we are taking x and y, and why we are printing it like this. But yes, gradually, definitely it will make some sense to you. Okay. So again, moving back to dictionary. So what we have right here is dict1 dot dict1 dot get. Okay, get what? Dict1 dot get. So get function, it gives you, or it returns the value key. Okay, so value. So what I'm going to do is I will say A, it will return apple, then B, it will return banana, and at C it will return. So if you give this one, then it will give you. If I try apple, let's see. If I try apple, so it is not giving me anything. If I try banana, it is not giving me anything. So the correct one is, you have to give the key, it will return the value. You have to give key and it will return value for it. Next one is here, where you have dict1 dot, you have items. Okay, items. So when you run this one, you will get all the items of your dictionary. You will get all the items of your dictionary. Then dictionary1 dict1 dot key. Okay, dot keys. So it will return all the keys, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, it will return all the keys, that is A, B, C, D. Then you have dict, you have pop. So again, pop function will delete the last item and all those things. Then you have pop item, so deletes this one. Then we will see what is set default. What is set default? So what we are going to do right here is, suppose I say, okay, let it be set default. I say set default, and I say A as apricot. A as apricot. Okay, A as apricot. So what it exactly will happen right here is, that it will apricot. Okay. So what will happen now? It will try to see. It will try to set this as apricot, but no, as we have already given the value as apple, so it will take only apple for that case. Okay, although we are trying to set the new value, but it will not take that particular value. It will remain with apple. Now next one. So what we are doing right here is, in the next one, or the last function of this one, that is dict1 dot values, no, update. So what you have to do is, you want to update something. Okay, you want to update in your you want to update something. So the new value will come like this. So what I am doing right here is, I am giving one more value, A, B, C, D, E. and this is my, and then I want to print my dictionary. So it will add a new value, that is E, in that. So exactly this is what happening in case of, now the next one. Now the next one right here, what I'm doing is I'm saying dict1 dot values, dict1 dot values. So what will happen? Values will be printed. That is apple, banana, cherries, date. Okay, my these values will be get printed with that. So this is what exactly we can do with the with different functions of different functions of dictionary and achieve our objective. Okay, you can play with different kind of values with within your dictionary, and you can perform different kind of operation. Right here, we are taking one example where we have this particular dictionary. Now, I want to say dict, I want to say dot, dict1 dot keys, dict1 dot keys. So what will happen now? It will return all the keys. Now, if I say dict1 dot values, dict1 dot values, so it will return all the values. Now I want a specific value. Suppose I want 6. Suppose I'm looking for 6. So what I will do? So in that particular case, I will say dict1, then in square bracket I will give a, in square bracket I will give a, and then I will count index. So up to up, if I want 6, then its index number is 5. Its index number is 5. And then I will run this one. So I will get 6 right here. So how to access the value from your dictionary? This is the method. This is the best method to doing that particular thing. So in this particular case, suppose for example, I want 55 or I want 88. Okay, I want 88 from this. So what I will do right here is I will say dict1 square brackets b, square brackets b, and 88. So its index number is 7. So it will return 88. That is this one. You want the complete list. You want complete list. So dict1 and square brackets and d, then it will return the complete list of whatever numbers are there, whatever values are there. Okay. So in this particular way, you can access the values from your dictionary and find the respective value from it. Here we are taking a complex dictionary, little bit as compared to the previous one. So what we are doing is I need this value. That is, I need what is the name of comp1. So I will say this one, then in square brackets, I will give comp2. I want, yes, I will give comp1, and again the next one is I need the value. Okay, I need the key of this one. So key of what? Key of name. Okay, of key of name. So what I will do right here is I will give dot key. I will give dot keys, and in keys I will mention. So when you will run this one, what you will get? You will get name and year. Okay, you will get name and year, but you need HP right here. Okay, you need HP right here. So what you will do is you will give key, and then you will take value from that particular stuff. Okay, you will give key, and then you will get value from that particular stuff. So how exactly it will work? How exactly it will? So when we want to find HP right here, we have to use the get function, and with the help of get function, you can try with other things as well. So if you want to now, if you want to find year as 2007, so what you have to do is you have to give comp family, and comp2 because it is in comp2, and then what you have to get right here is you have to get year. You have to get year. So YEAR. So it will give you year as 2007. So you can have any complex combination in this, and then with the help of that you can identify any value and you can get the output in that. Okay. So right here, right at this particular place, we are concluding dictionary, and we are jumping to Python operations. Whatever basic operations are there with respect to Python, we are looking into that particular stuff. Now we are going to start with the Python basic operators. So very first one is arithmetic operator, then comparison operator, then logical operator, bitwise operators, then you have assignment operator, and you have identity operator, membership operators, and so on. So basically we will start with very first one, that is arithmetic operator. Now when we talk about arithmetic operator, when we talk about arithmetic operations, basically arithmetic operations are plus, minus, multiplication, division, which are well known to all of us. So for example, I say A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. And what I am doing right here is I am saying A plus B. Okay, I say A plus B. Then I say print A minus B. So this is your subtraction operation. Then you have something A multiplied by B. That is multiplication. Then you have something called as A divided by B. Okay. So this is your division. This is your division operator. Then you have something called as modulus. So A percentage B. So A percentage B, the resultant is 0. Now right here I will change the values of A and B. Okay. So let it be A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. So what will happen in this particular case? In A modulus B, it will give me remainder. It will give me remainder. Then next one is A floor division B. So floor division B, what it will give? It will give me 3. 10 divided by 3, it gives you 3 as a result, and remainder is 1. So this is your quotient. And last one is A exponential B. A exponential B. So A exponential B means you are multiplying 10 3 times. That is your A exponential B. So your resultant is this one. Now